Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini efficiently. To start, understand Gemini's core strengths. It's excellent for complex problem solving and generating creative content. You can leverage its speed for quick summaries or detailed explanations. Remember its multimodal capabilities, allowing for diverse inputs and outputs, and its ability to adapt tone for different communication styles. This foundational understanding will greatly enhance your interactions. Next, focus on crafting effective prompts. Be very specific with your requests, giving clear context and outlining your desired outcomes. Defining a persona for Gemini, like act as a marketing expert, can yield much more tailored responses. Always specify your preferred output format, whether it's bullet points, paragraphs, or even code snippets. Adding examples or constraints helps guide Gemini to produce exactly what you need. Effective use of Gemini often involves iteration and refinement. Always review the initial responses and provide clear, constructive feedback for improvements. Don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions to deepen your understanding or explore related topics in more detail. For complex tasks, break them down into smaller, manageable steps. Experimenting with different phrasing in your prompts can also significantly improve the accuracy and relevance of Gemini's output. Finally, explore some advanced Gemini techniques. Utilize it for brainstorming sessions to generate a wide array of diverse ideas quickly. Its summarization features are incredibly powerful for condensing long documents, saving you significant time. Don't overlook its coding assistance for debugging or generating code snippets. Integrating Gemini into your daily workflows can automate content creation and analysis, making your processes much more efficient and productive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.